Hi, I'm Nivedita Indrajit, and this is the series in business, technology, creation. Everywhere there's a stumbling block, let's handle it. So this is like every Sunday 9 p.m. Q&A, or anybody gives a topic, I talk about it. So today is your turn, Sharath, because you asked for some things. So we are going
Yeah,
to...
thank you so much for creating this, Nivedita. Because what happens is when we are on social media, and I'm an actor and singer, and to put a camera on yourself and then just keep on releasing it, it's nice. But when you did some magic with some stuff that I had sent you, so I got very excited. And in fact, after I saw what you've done, I got more inspired to create more things. So sometimes the lack of technology can also stop you from creating, because
Yeah,
you know that something better is possible. And
yeah,
like either you learn it or take someone's help, and best is to learn it. So thank you for really creating this.
yeah. Welcome. So the first thing was you wanted to make up posters and stuff like that, right? So I'm going to share my screen.
Okay,
And are you able to see?
I'm able to see. Yeah.
Okay, so this is something called Canva,
Okay.
canva.com. And here you can you log in through your Gmail or anything. Like you go here and get an account. You see on the right side,
Yeah.
you can also have Teams.
Okay.
Can you see the drop down?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
you can actually have teams. You can create a team and share that with someone. Like I can create that space and give you the access to that space.
Okay.
So if you want to do something and you're unable to fix that or something, I can also help you in that space because I
Oh,
have
nice.
access to that space. The
Great.
creatives are still in your name.
Okay. Okay.
I
I got
get
it.
to tip in modify it and stuff like that. So this is something you can do. I mean, so your first thing is to create a Canva account.
Okay. I'm on Canva, yeah.
Okay, so here,
But I'm on the phone, so I think it's better to do it on the computer, right?
no, you can do it on the phone. The one that I made was on the phone.
Okay, lovely.
The one that I sent you yesterday,
Yeah.
that was done on the
Any
phone.
ones that you send me.
No, the video poster that I sent you.
No, I'm saying that you sent it many times when I kept on asking you for changes. So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
sent
yeah.
me many posters.
Yeah, so those posters were done on my phone. It was not
Okay,
on the
lovely.
laptop.
Okay.
So there's a Canva app also on the phone, which
Yeah.
you can do. So here I'm just showing it to you on the laptop. Let's create one poster for you.
Okay.
So you go and can you see the search button here? You can talk about
Yeah.
Instagram or poster or event. So if I say event, it'll ask me what kind of an event poster you want.
Wow.
It'll give you what kind of a flyer. So you don't have to look at the measurements of the Facebook cover.
Right. It's already
Facebook
given in
cover is
the.
already. So you go here and you can already, let's make a Facebook cover. So it'll already give you the dimensions.
Okay, nice.
All you have to do is go and pick a template and you can make the changes. Which one do you like?
Does it also include video, or does it mainly for pictures? This is mainly
No,
for
no,
pictures.
no, no. I'm going to include video in this. So
Okay, so this blue one is nice. It's a surprise thing. Yeah.
okay. So we click on it. So now if you see Canva here, this portion is like it says try Canva Pro here,
Okay.
which means you can either buy the Pro or you can just buy this template if you are using their template.
Okay.
I'm deleting this,
Okay.
okay? Because I don't want to use this.
Right.
Now, if you look at the left side, you'll have uploads,
Right. Oh, okay. Lovely.
photos, elements, text, videos, and all that.
Yeah.
So you can upload video here.
Okay.
So I say, I uploaded your video.
Wow.
Is that your photo or video? It's a video only, no?
That's a video. Yeah.
How come it's not playing?
Oh, is it a picture? I don't know.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, let's play it and see. Yeah, I think in the laptop it's not taking it, but in the phone it'll take.
Okay.
Like you insert it over here, it'll play. And you can make the changes here.
Okay.
So that's how I made this one. Like,
and then you had many things happening. There was things coming and going. So how do you do that?
Coming and going. Yeah. So those are all. So
yeah,
here,
like this one.
Yeah. So this one, right? I made it on the phone. But here it's not showing the video. Anyway, these things, right? These are all elements.
Okay.
So in the same space, you see when you're doing it from the phone, you can insert this as a video. In the laptop, I don't know why it's not coming. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this. You want to insert elements, you go here. You can take whatever from here and do it.
Okay, nice.
See, these stickers are there, no?
Yeah.
When I put it like this, it'll move.
Wow.
So these are all elements. Like
is there a time duration on this, or this remains for the entire duration of the video?
Entire duration. See, there's a time that's coming on top. Can you see 6 seconds here on top?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
To download. So you can insert elements like this.
Great.
You can resize them also.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Wow.
So you can resize them. You can say that you can also turn them like.
Wow. Exciting.
Yeah. So if you see these kind of things, it's like animation is already there. If you don't have the pictures, you can upload your own pictures from here. Or they have a stock.
Right.
You can include text, and they have so many variety of text. You can edit any of them.
Wow. Nice. Nice.
Sometimes you can do videos also, like you can do this as well. So when you download it on the right side, right? You have ability to download in many formats. You can download like a share link or a presentation or an email, or you can download it.
You're downloading the final product.
Yeah, the final one you can download it any way you want.
Okay.
Okay, it can be a card or whatever. These are the options that you have. So right now, this is how it looks like. I can send it to the back also. Now the arrow mark came in the front, you see?
Correct.
The arrow, I put this on top of the arrow mark, no? Earlier.
Yeah.
Now I can bring that. So you can actually right click on this and you can send it back, send it front, whatever.
Okay,
these things. You can replace the background. So let's say this is there, right? I want to put a picture here. Let's say I want to put this picture. I can right click on this and say replace background. The entire picture will change.
Wow. And the picture becomes the background.
Yeah, picture became the background now. You can now either keep it like this or you can change it. You can delete these elements.
This is fun.
Yeah. So pictures, there are plenty of pictures. Now the backgrounds, you can make it just plain background if you want.
Wow.
So you can play around. Yeah.
Beautiful.
So apparently you can link your Facebook and stuff also. Like whatever is on your Facebook, right? These are all the posters on my Facebook.
Okay.
They've all come here, so I can now directly download from Facebook.
No, I didn't get that. So this poster, you put it on Facebook or you downloaded it?
Yeah, so I just went to YouTube, let's say. It
Okay.
will give me all the options. Let's say Sharad's wall is correct.
SHARADSWORLD. Yeah, there it
I
is.
can insert.
Okay, wow. So thumbnail will come into the poster. Wow.
Yeah. So we can do all that. So all this YouTube and Facebook and all, it will come in others basically. This more is there, right?
Huh.
From any location, you can access that information.
Super.
So yeah, and you can delete if you want any element. If you don't want this entire page, you can delete.
I love the colors on that. It's beautiful.
Yeah, and now see, if you see this, it's white color lettering. So I can change the color.
Okay, nice.
Any color. You can actually create your own color also when you go. Okay.
Great.
So this is about Canva. So you can explore actually.
Yeah, let me
Now I have a
have some
little
fun with it.
surprise element here. See, this is called MP3 CutNet.
MP3?
CutNet.
Okay.
It's online. You don't have to download anything. So you can choose a file. I'm going to, let's say, just choose a file. This is a song. I can cut this to wherever I want it. So if you have some videos that you'd like to have with 2-3 of your songs and make a melody.
Right.
What is that called? Parody.
Medley.
Medley. So you mix, you can cut all the songs and clip them together.
Wow. So this is only for the audio. So this is another site. Huh? This is somewhere else. Yeah.
Yeah. So what I did was I just asked for cut audios online for free.
Okay, nice. Wow.
Yeah. So you can do this.
So like have a picture and the audio is coming in the back.
You can
and you can add that to Canva.
Yeah, you can do the same with videos also.
Okay.
I mean, there are other stuff that you can do, but you can also convert. Now you drop the file here.
Okay.
This is your WhatsApp video. So I can cut it now wherever I want.
Wow.
So like this is your song, right?
Yeah.
It'll come only up to here. Okay.
Okay.
Now. So when I cut it, I get to save it.
Okay.
So you can actually cut your videos on your own.
Online video cutter. Nice.
Yeah. So this is something else. There's something called Photopea here.
Okay.
Or Adobe, you can do Photoshop online. Or you can simply ask convert photo to transparent background. Okay?
Yeah.
So then it will give you a tool, you just go there. So you have to import a file from here. Let's say, let's check. Where's your picture? Can't see your picture. let's take this. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I want this. Can you see this transparent square checks over here behind?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I can actually clear this. Like here it's saying, let's say we increase the percentage.
Hmm.
Can you see more or less that thing is getting cut behind?
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So you can do that, or you can do since this is a very similar color picture, it's not cutting properly. If you have a proper color image, it will. 1 second.
Hmm.
I'll just take somebody's photograph. Let's say. Okay. So it will cut the background out.
Okay.
So you can give how much ever you want here, percentage. There are some with percentage and some, see this is full.
Hmm.
Now if I say 40, it'll match. So what happens is when I save this image, I can save it as a transparent on the thing.
Hmm.
I'm not giving you a correct contrast picture. There are things that way you can do it online also, like manually wipe it up. So now what's happening is this whole thing is there as a picture. When I put this on the screen, only my face will be seen.
Oh wow! It's like a
So
sticker.
yeah, like a sticker. So you can do that, or you can manually change the background. You can remove the background.
Hmm.
So yeah.
Awesome.
Anything else?
No, I think let me practice this and then I'll. This is lovely.
Yeah, you can actually do a lot of playing around with the digital stuff.
Yeah, let me learn. This will be fun.
Yeah, and these virtual backgrounds that I've created are created on Canva. There is a segment called virtual background for Zoom. You can go there and you can create. Suppose you're doing an interview with someone or you want to have a certain background for certain calls. You can make it. There are videos, audios you can convert. This is my branding. Like if you see, this, I can put my branding there and stuff like that. So
very surreal. I feel like you're floating somewhere.
Yeah, even I do that.
Nice.
So any other questions you have, let me know.
No, I'm happy for now. I think I'll practice this and then I'll send you my poster tomorrow in the afternoon.
Yeah.
And you can give me marks on that.
No, I believe in no evaluation basically. Everything is good.
Yeah, just tell me how to get better.
We can ask for how does it get any better, but nothing
Yeah.
is bad. It's a work in progress always.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. So
awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome.
Really appreciate it. Thanks.
Bye.